Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to remove music from a Spotify playlist. You can make changes to your Spotify playlist at any time, including removing songs you don't want anymore. It's important to note that removing a song from a playlist won't remove it from your library, only from the playlist you're deleting it from. Changes to a playlist will also immediately reflect across all your devices. And remember, of course, that you can only remove songs from playlists that you've created or have editing access for. You can't delete songs from a playlist that you have no permission to edit. So here's how to remove a song from your Spotify playlist. So I'm here now on my Spotify. Then you'll go to your library and press on the playlist. And here, this is the playlist that I just made. Press the three dots. You can press edit playlist and you can remove just by pressing the -1. Or if you go back, if you press the three dots on the song, you can press the remove from this playlist. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!